The place of forgiveness in ministry and conflict, I can honestly tell you, I do not really understand a conflict resolution without one of two things happening. One, either everybody that was in the conflict dies out, which we do not want, but unfortunately, that whole three-generational pattern with churches who have had a pastor morally fail them kind of points to that. It kind of points to the memory quite literally dying with the members. But the other way is through the forgiveness of sins. This is what Kober brought to the table, for better or for worse. I've heard the critiques. The critiques are that he feels like he makes a law of the gospel and things like that. But I think he's basically right. We can't really talk about a resolution of, I'd say, like the brush fire, smaller conflicts without some sort of reconciliation based on the forgiveness of sins. Long-range systemic conflict is maybe a little different. I don't think it comes down to just simply a quick confession and absolution. It may come down to just long-range teaching, like I was talking about before, but forgiveness is central in all of this. We need to rethink conflict and our attitudes to conflict. It's very easy to roll our eyes. It's important to understand that it is a consequence of sin and not a sin, like I mentioned before. Not sin itself, it is a consequence of it.